Hi, my name's Whitney. I work for Plexus. Let me tell you a little bit more about why we built Plexus. Years ago, we spoke with many hardworking service companies that did their jobs well, built up their businesses, hired more employees, and eventually they found themselves realizing, hey, we've got a lot going on. There has to be a better way to get organized, streamlined, and competitive in today's market. Over the last 19 years, Plexus has come alongside these growing businesses, empowering them by coordinating and centralizing their day-to-day operations. So let me show you how, through this brief overview of Plexus. When each Plexus user logs in, they see a dashboard that is tailored to them. In this example, Tim is a project manager. Everything here is exactly what Tim wants to see. All of the jobs and tasks Tim is responsible for will show up here. It shows jobs that are in Tim's pipeline. The graph shows how profitable his in-progress jobs are using real-time job costing. And on the right are some smaller items such as a list of jobs being wrapped up, his timesheets, and a common set of reports he runs. Tim can run all of his operations right here. He can create a new order, building it afresh or from a pre-created template. Enter any header information, track where the referral came from using customizable forms, and choose any special pricing he would like to offer the customer. He can create as many addresses and people participating on this job as needed for this order. Next, he can build out the estimate by selecting the specific services and products that are needed. He can then answer all the relevant questions that could affect the amount of time and cost the job will require. He can adjust pricing and quantities and mark which lines will be billed as time and material versus a fixed quote. Next, he can schedule the job by seeing which days have available crew hours. And he can contemplate pulling in third-party labor. Or he can assign specific people to the job. Plexus allows you to build multiple, fully customizable overviews of your job for presentation to managers, field crews, and of course, your customers. Plexus will distribute PDFs of these overviews either manually or automatically to the right players on your team that need to know about this job. As the job nears, Plexus can send out emails or text messages to the employees that need to be dispatched to the job site. Once they are en route or on site, field supervisors and employees can punch in their job start times. Plexus knows based on your company rules whether employees are to be paid regular time, overtime, or double time based on what they've already worked that week. Clocking in also allows Plexus to capture the geolocation of each employee so your dispatcher can better respond when changes need to be made on the fly. Field crews can capture any photos of work performed, any notes, receipts of any unplanned expenses, and any customer signatures that are required. Plexus can also capture payments on site as a sales receipt, or they may choose to invoice the customer later. After a job is complete, managers can see detailed job costing reports including labor, materials, and expenses incurred. Accounting can invoice any jobs that were not paid on site, and Plexus will immediately sync these to your copy of QuickBooks online for bookkeeping. There are many other features in Plexus, including customizable forms on all major records, the handling of prevailing wages for union and government jobs, a robust reporting system with exporting features, basic inventory tracking, a customer portal to log in and see the statuses of their jobs, invoices, and reports, opportunity tracking and CRM, issue tracking, management of large project financials and progress using Gantt charts, and many more. Plexus is cloud-based and all functions are available via your PC, Mac, iPad, or Android tablet. iPhones and Android phones may also access basic features such as time capture, photo and expense capture, and changes to order information. Thank you for watching. If you'd like to see more, contact our sales team and we'll build a quote for you based on only the aspects of Plexus you need.